From beginning to end, High-Low Roofing, they showed up, they were prompt, they were professional, they did what they were going to say and more. They left our areas cleaner, and so that was very important to us. My name is Diglio, and I'm the president of the HOA at the Legends Golf and Country Club here in Clermont, Florida. And our community is about 25 years old, so we were in the need of new roofs. It just was age and time. And we have a number of buildings. We have a big clubhouse, we have guard shack, and we have a golf building with our pro shop. And there are a lot of people that come and go in these buildings all day long. So the way associations work, homeowners associations work in Florida, you have to get several bids. So we started the process of getting bids to redo all of the roofs in our community. Problem was we couldn't get roofers to come out. They would set appointments and then they wouldn't show up. And then we'd call them back, they said, oh, something came up. Then they would come back and not show up again. We finally were able to get 3 bids, but the one thing we really appreciated working with High-Low Roofing, not only when we called them did they set an exact time, but then they sent us a text message and then they followed up to make sure that the time was still good, and they confirmed even as late as the day of, just to make sure we were still on. They showed up, they were timely, they were professional, they did things that the other companies didn't do as far as the providing of the estimate, showing us all the little details of what went in to the roof and why we needed new roofs and what areas were of concern where other areas we thought were concerned really weren't. And they even uncovered certain things in our roofing systems that we didn't know about. So from beginning to end, they were an absolute pleasure to work with. But our biggest concern was going to be at the golf course, in the pro shop, because we have people starting at 7 in the morning all the way till 7 at night that are coming and going into the pro shop, into the restaurant. And we were concerned that how that was going to impact business. And our golf professional told me it was as if High-Low Roofing wasn't even there. They worked around the clientele and the customers, and it was never an issue. And the other issue we knew we were going to have was when they were doing the roof at the guard shack. We have a gated, guarded community, and so cars are coming and going all day long, and the roofers had to be there and block off certain sections. But not only did they do the roof and block off certain sections, they came up with a way where they guided the traffic in certain directions to make sure they were safe and were out of their way and to be able to get the job done. And it was almost as if they weren't there. Again, it was hassle-free. We have 867 homes in our community, and no matter what you do, someone is going to complain. We didn't have one single complaint about the roofing process or what went on. So I consider that a home run, a grand slam, because we can't even change the paint color in the neighborhood without someone complaining, but let alone have a whole entire roof systems done without a complaint. So if you're looking to have your home roof done, your commercial roof done, your HOA roofs done, I highly recommend High-Low Roofing.